welcome to the 8th International Air Conditioner and Refrigeration Exhibition at ELANEXPO inside Business Africa and media partners here. We welcome you. As you come for this exhibition, walk with me as we go to visit various booths.
My name is John. We are factory producing silicon sealant and PU foam. This exhibition I think very good because in the beginning I thought maybe not so many, but now today after come here, wow, so many people here. So I think this also relates. I think this is very means another thing. Maybe the economic of Nigeria is very good. Yeah, so for the bidding market also very good. So I think maybe next year we come again. Today experience. Firstly, I think here the people here very full of enthusiasm. Yeah, very nice people here, and the customer here I think now relate to this fair. Most of them are for building material, so I think that they are professional buyers. Yes, this is very good.